Best of days to you all ClickChauffeur drivers. You want to know how to offer your clients the flexibility to book one-way or round trips? Today I'll show you how to enable round trips on your ClickChauffeur module. Choosing their trip style will make a convenient booking experience for your clients. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard and get started. Module, HTML integration, and now you go onto the right of the screen, sidebar, and choose an option label. The user can choose the type of journey. Now pay attention, this is what makes it work for you. To allow customers to choose between one-way and round trips, check the box. To disable this option, and check the box. I know it's so very easy and straightforward, right? When you are done and decided, save the changes that you just made. The save button is at the bottom of the page. Finished, you've successfully and rapidly enabled round trips on your ClickChauffeur module, giving your clients more flexibility in their booking options. Remember, offering trip type options can enhance customer satisfaction and provide a more versatile service. It's at your advantage. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Keeping your booking process flexible will for sure make your clients happy.